take a look at Typepad. Cool. All right, we're going to take a look at Typepad. I want to first show you that this is, this is the main page. This is what it looks like. And I want to show you some different examples of things that you can do with Typepad. So we've just talked about widgets. We've talked about blogs. We've talked about websites. So let me show you some examples. Martha Stewart uses Typepad. This is Martha's blog. And what you can see from this is it's very simple. She basically has a header that she's had custom done, and you can do that as well. And then she has kept it very simple and has used it as a blog function. Now remember, I said you can use it for a lot of different things. She's used it as a blog function. So here she has her newest post, which was done yesterday, July 1st, and she has a photograph. You can go and see her most recent posts and her links on the side. Here she links to people that she likes, and here is that RSS feed that we were talking about. So if I would click this, I could sign up for Martha's blog feed, meaning that every time Martha puts something new in, it would come right to me. You can do that too. So this is created with Typepad. That's pretty cool. But maybe you don't want this kind of look. Let's look at something completely different. This is Lulu. Lulu is a vintage store, and they have both the blog section and the store section. Now the first thing I can tell you is they have had this custom created. So this is custom, this background is custom. Those are not hard to have created for you on guru.com or elance.com, and you have links to that within the lessons this week and next week. But what we see here is that she has some cool things happening. First of all, it's a very unique site. It grabs your eye right away. She has her blog, so she's featuring a new product that she's interested in. She's talking about it. She gives you a link to click and leave your comments. So again, she's creating a community. And here we see a couple days ago she did a colorful vintage apron, information. Now this is great. This is her blog portion. So what is she doing with this blog? She is generating search engine content. She's generating things that search engines are looking for on topics that people that are interested in vintage or retro fashion are looking for. But now over here, she has her store. She's using PayPal shopping cart. And here are the latest arrivals. Here we see she's selling patterns. Now this is fun because my grandmother used to have just this enormous pattern collection, which I wish she still had. But they were these, and I remember looking at them as a girl. So if I wanted to purchase this 1953 McCall's pattern, I would just click here, and it goes to all of the information, and I would click Add it to my cart, and it's going to swing me right over to the shopping cart, which is a PayPal shopping cart. So that means that you can do a lot more than just blog with this software. You can connect a store as well. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm getting excited. Okay, let's look at this third example. I love this example. This is called Ink Vanilla. Ink Vanilla is just an example of a beautiful site. Very pretty, very simple. She's had this banner created for her, or she created it herself and plugged it into Typepad. And then she simply chose background colors off of their template. There was nothing fancy about choosing these colors, but it works beautifully with her banner piece that she has here. Again, she has information, and then you can go and find out more information about upcoming events. She has a copyright information, which is important if you're doing anything where you're concerned perhaps you're going to be posting your own recipes or something where you'd be concerned with information being stolen. And again, this would have the opportunity to click somewhere and go right into her go right into her shopping cart. And it's just a really exciting and fun thing that you can do. So let's take a look at that. These were my 3 examples.